Hi, today we'll generate API key for Gemini or the AI bot software for Google. Okay, as you can see, in the past time, they had an option on settings for API key generation, but after updating, there are no options. So we need to go through the manual process, which is not in gemini.google.com. Just simply search for AI Google development option, ai.google dev. So simply click on that, and we are entering the AI for developers option. So here, as you can see, get API key in Google AI Studio. Just click on that. And our AI development section is ready. Now you can generate any API key as much as you want. Just click on that get API key option and create your own. Create API key and search. If you have any projects, the project will show here, your Google Cloud projects. Okay, I have a project, so I'll create an API key for the project. Okay, create API key in existing project. And it's generating. So just simply copy that API key. That's the key you want. And it's created. Thanks for watching.